In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about measurements and some inferences that we're making from the AutoCAD drawing that we're using as an underlay. Let me turn off these floor elements. So there it is in plan. This section symbol indicates that a section cut from here to here looking in that direction is available to us here. So below you can see that we measured height of wall from what I'm assuming to be the floor at finished grade. Alright, so that's the assumption that we're making here, that the bottom of both these interior slabs outside is finished grade. I use the dimension tool in SketchUp to measure that. I'm now going to measure from grade to the top of a column. I can see that's 14.6. This is going to allow me to, it doesn't matter that the column is embedded inside the floor slab. It's going to be much easier to start with the AutoCAD drawing as a base layer and just determine the height to which it has to rise. So the floors to the underside of the roof are 21 feet. Columns, assuming they're embedded in these slabs wherever they are, rise to 14.6. So with that information, let's model the columns. We'll zoom out and we have 1, 2, 3 columns. We have a fourth embedded in the wall, but we've already modeled that as part of the building envelope, so we're going to ignore that. Let's start by creating a column layer, columns. Okay. Again, we're always drawing on layer 0 and then grouping and moving to the respective layers that we want these elements on. The rectangle tool. These are pretty simple. 1 square, 2 squares, 3 squares, isometric mode, select face, push pull to 14.5 feet, 14 feet 6, however you want to do it. Double clicking push pull simply repeats the last operation. So notice, if I look at a front view of the model, these are sitting right on the ground. If I turn on the floor slabs, you'll see they're coincident with the model. So we don't have to worry about are my columns on top or below the floor slab. They're simply part of the structural model. Having done that, I will select these 3 columns, create a group, make a group, and then right click, entity info. It's already up here on, move them to the column layer, and we're done.